everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I've been loving this Heidi Swapp Carefree paper pad. I love the size of it. It's 6 inches by 8 inches, and I'm enjoying that because I can just fold down one side and I have an instant note card. I use it for note cards often. I make the note cards to give as gifts or just to use personally. And a few of the pages have sentiments and little tags and notes that you can cut up. I can add them to my card making, or I can put them right inside my planner for journaling. And these patterns are just absolutely stunning. I'm amazed at how well they work together. I would never think to put some of these patterns together, but they all work so nicely to pair them and mix and match together with them. The quality of the paper as well as the prints is just stunning. This Heidi Swapp Carefree paper pad has just been so nice for me to have in my craft room, whether I'm making note cards or just adding them to a journal. I love the versatility of them and the beauty of them. And that's my point of view.